In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys a brand new method to find winning products and potential winning products. Now, nobody else has ever talked about this before. I came across it 2 weeks ago by just doing some research and looking into things, and I've been trialing and testing it for the last 2 weeks, and I've been able to find 3 winning products within the time frame of 2 weeks I've been using it, and those products that I've been using have been doing amazing things. So I thought, why not bring it to you guys so you can use it and find winning products? As you guys have supported me so well on this channel, you guys deserve to know about this method. So we're going to dive straight into it. But before I move into this method, I just want to say this method is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to add your emails, anything. I'm not like these other gurus that are going to get you to pay for some software because they get paid an affiliate commission, or it's a paid post they've been put on their YouTube channel. This is completely free, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can use it in your dropshipping business so you can also find winning products and potential winning products. But again, before I move on to the content, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's been supporting me. We hit 1K not long ago, and I am so happy about it, and I appreciate everybody. Now we're on the road to 5K subs. Now, if you're new to the channel, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel, because in the next few weeks, I'm going to be uploading some absolute amazing, valuable packages on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be going over CBO testing, low Facebook testing. So if you've got a low Facebook budget, I'm going to be showing you what ads to run on Facebook. If you've got a low budget, I've got my words tangled then. I'm going to be going over how to write effective ad copies, how to create an effective ad video. So if you're not currently subscribed or turn post notifications on, make sure you do, because a lot more value is coming your way if you do that. Now, you're probably thinking, why am I wearing these glasses? Now, these glasses are computer glasses. They stop blue light from damaging my eyes, because I work in the office. This is my office that you can see me in on all my videos. I'm in here for a good 4 to 10 hours, and blue light is what comes from computers, and it damages your eyes. I'm not like these other gurus that claim to do e-commerce and they never use a laptop or a computer for a good 4 or 5 hours. I'm in here all the time, guys, working on my businesses. So these just protect my eyes. Now, I'm just going to stop waffling on. I just thought I'd say that because I know a lot of people are going to think, why are you wearing glasses? So I thought I'd just say it. Now let's get onto the content, guys. I just thought I'd tell you guys that before you comment in the comment section, why am I wearing glasses? You look different. So let's get straight into the content anyway, guys, because you're not going to want to miss this, and you're going to want to watch this till the end, trust me. I'm so excited to bring you guys this method, but before I show you the method step by step, I just want to go over the requirements you're going to want to follow and need to make this work most effective for you. So the first requirement, and if you don't understand any of these requirements, don't worry, I will be showing you them step by step so you can understand them and learn them. The first thing is find dropshippers on Facebook with a winning product track history. Number 2, you'll need the special tool, which I'll show you in a minute, don't worry about it. Number 3, these are the traits that you're going to want to look for within these winning products when I show you the software to use. Number 1, the product needs the wow factor. It needs to either solve a problem, or it needs to either be emotional for the customer, or it needs to bring out the passions within the customer. Don't worry about bullet point number 4. We'll get onto that at the end of the video. Now let's get into Facebook so I can show you how to do the first requirement. So guys, the first step to this is, like I said, you're going to want to find dropshippers with proven track history. Now, what you're going to do this is you're going to want to go to Facebook, and you're going to want to type in the search bar phrases like this: get yours here, 50% off, limited time only, free shipping. Now, these search phrases will pull up these kind of videos, dropshipping videos. Now, you probably already know how to do this. Now, what you're looking for when doing this is you want to look to see if you can find a page that have come up on the top of these videos multiple times. So if we look here for get yours here, I've just typed that and searched it. You can see they've got fake outrage here, and they've got 4.6 million views on this video of a dropshipping product. If we scroll down again, you can see they've come up again for 23 million views on another product from the same page. Do it again, scroll down, you can see they're here again with 12 million views. So these people know, because I guarantee it's not just one person that's doing this. There's probably multiple people that run this account, and they know what they're doing. Now, these guys know how to find winning products. Like, the numbers prove that, like, they do so well. So these guys have got what we call proven track history with finding winning products. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the actual ad, let it load. Sorry for the loud noise, guys. Then click on the link to their website. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, you can see here it says page not found, because obviously that winning product's not a winner anymore, so they've got rid of it. Click their logo, or click on the homepage of their website, and you can see these are all the products that they've currently got on their website. You can pretty much see all of them here. Now, the key isn't, like, most dropshippers will do this. They'll copy their products from their website at the moment. That's not what we're doing, guys. Don't worry. We're not going to sell any of their products from the current time of this video. That's not what this method's about. This method is taking it to another level. What we're going to do is, because these guys have got proven track history of finding winning products, we're going to have a look at what their website was maybe 6 months ago, a year ago, 2 years ago, maybe 2 months ago, and we're going to see what products they had on their website then, and we're going to steal some of those ones. So how you do this is you copy their link. So you copy their link, then this is the special tool. It's called Wayback Machine, and I will leave a link in the description below so you can use this. Now what you do is you paste their link and you click Browse History, and what this is, it's an archive of what their website was like years ago. So you can see here in 2018, that's when they had the most active changes in their website, like changing products, changing logos. So if you click on 2018, now the ones that don't have the blue circle behind it or the green circle means we can't, so like the days like this we can't click on. We can only click on the days where it actually highlights in blue or highlights in green. But guys, let's say we want to look back in March in 2018. We're going to click the 19 because it's highlighted in green or blue, and it will take us back to their website and how it looked in 2018. And because these guys have had proven track records with winning products, the products that they're going to have on their website now will also have winning product potential. So as you can see straight away, their website looks completely different to how it did then. So that's their website back in 2018, and that's it now. It's completely different. If we scroll down, they've got different products. If you can see, some of them are the same and some of them are different. This dog umbrella is different. They don't have that on the website anymore. Now this product could have potential, and the reason why they didn't do well with it, or the reason why they may have never ran ads for it, could be because they thought they might have found a different product that had better potential. So what we can go and do then is, because guys, like I said, these guys have had proven track record, they wouldn't put products on their site if they didn't think they had potential. So we're going to search for this in AliExpress. So we're going to type in dog umbrella, and you can see if we type in on orders here to see how many orders it's got only 155 orders. This one's only got 188 orders. So you can see guys, this product's barely ever been tested. It's only got 188 orders. That is nothing guys, absolutely nothing. Now the reason why this product might not have many orders is, like I said, somebody thought it might not have as much potential as another product, or somebody have never thought this product existed. But guys, now you know these products exist. Now I didn't even know this product existed, and I own dogs myself. I've got 2 dogs, and I didn't even know you could get a product like this. And yes, as a dog owner, this has the wow factor, and this could also pull on the customer's emotions, because people that have dogs are very emotional about their dogs. So guys, this in my opinion is a winning product. It's completely untapped, and if you want to use it, go and use it. But guys, that is an example on how to use this website history tool to find winning products. And you can do this with any website, any dropshippers, but use dropshippers that have had proven track records, because you'll find higher quality products like this dog umbrella, like I did guys. Now this is so powerful, and only the people that understand this tool will understand the power of it. Now I'm going to go back into the Word document and finish off the video and teach you what you need to do after you found the product. So guys, let's finish off the video now. Like I said, these are the winning product traits that you're going to look for. The wow factor solves a problem, either pulls the emotion strings or has a passion within them, like gets the customer's passions out of them. Now, I discussed that a minute ago. Now, let's move on. Now, running ads. Now, obviously, you're going to want to run ads for these products. Now, I'm not going to be going over how to run ads for these products in this video, because in my last winning product video, I mentioned what ad strategy you should be using. Now, go back to that video, and I will leave it in the cards here if you want. Click on it and skip the video to 11 minutes and 42 seconds, and that's when I start talking about how to do the ads for the products. Or you can wait till this video ends, and at the end screen of this video, there will be a link you can click on the screen. It will say winning products. Click on that video and skip it to 11 minutes 42 seconds. You can either click the card a minute ago, or you can wait till the end of the video and watch it there. And like I said, skip it to 11 minutes and 42 seconds, and you'll be able to watch the whole ad strategy I use for these products. Now that is the method guys, and I hope you've seen the value in it, and I hope you find winning products from it too.